everybody, we're here to do a recital bun for you. I'm Miss Kate, and do you want to tell everyone your name?
I'm Dalen.
This is Dalen. She's one of our dancers. She's just getting ready for class, and I'm going to demonstrate how we do a recital bun. So Dalen just came from school, right? Did you have a good day?
Yes.
Excellent. And we're gonna start by combing her hair. So we get out all of these knots. You just tell me if I'm hurting you, okay? Okay, excellent. And before I put any product in it, I'm gonna try to get a good part on our dancer's left side of the head, so right here. Now I use this comb. It has a nice long end for me. I'm just gonna section it off and start making that part. There we go. Now Dalen has a natural part on her left side, so this might take a little bit more time for your dancer. Okay, and before I tie it back, I'm gonna put a little bit of product in. So I'm gonna start with some gel.
Clear gel?
Yeah, clear gel. Might be a little bit cold, okay? Just gonna start scooping her hair to the side. Just like that. We want no flyaways. We want that part to lay flat on her head. Excellent. I'm gonna go back in with her comb, and I'm gonna continue combing it to the side. Just moving that gel before it dries. Awesome, and take a little more gel and repeat. Dalen, do you want to tell everyone what classes you have today?
I have hip hop and tap.
Hip hop and tap, so much fun. Okay, so once I have a good part, I'm gonna collect all of her hair, like this, and I'm gonna start shaping her ponytail. So you see how there are natural just bumps all over, and if we tied this, it would be a messy back. So I'm gonna continue with this comb and comb through that gel so it lies flat on her head.
My dad uses gel to get his hair
Yeah?
every morning.
Just like that. Now before I tie it, I'm going to go in with a little bit of hairspray and make sure all of our flyaways are down. Okay, and when I have a base that I like, I'm going to take a hair tie and just tie a nice slick ponytail. Okay, make sure that's nice and tight. And now you can see here there's still a few more bumps. So we're just going to take our comb it through, and this part here will be hidden by her bun. You can even retie your ponytail if you like. All right, Dalen, I'm gonna ask you to look down towards your feet, okay? Excellent. So we have her ponytail here, and her hair's really, really clean. It's a lot easier to do a bun on a dancer with dirty hair. So I'm gonna take a little bit of hairspray, just so the ponytail is a little bit easier for us to work with. All right, so I'm gonna start twisting and wrapping the hair around that ponytail. And now when you use your bobby pin, you're gonna wanna use it downside like this. And attach it to her head. Okay, and once I have a pretty good shape of her bun, I'm gonna go in with a hairnet. Just one like this, and it matches her hair color. This is gonna help keep down all of her flyaways. Make sure the bun is nice and clean. Can you look? I'm gonna take a few more bobby pins and just make sure it's secure. For our final step, we're just gonna do one more layer of hairspray so that we know that the bun is gonna stay in our dancer's head. Close your eyes, Day. And look up at the camera. Close your eyes. Alrighty, you can open them. And I might take this comb, gently comb it back. Another good trick for everybody at home is to actually take your hairspray bottle, spray your dancer's head, and use the hairspray bottle.
Yeah, that's what my mom does.
To make sure that all the flyaways stay down. And just like that, you have a beautiful recital bun. Can you wave bye? Thanks for watching.